Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's Leah with Skin Beautiful RX, and today we're back for my 5-minute review. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Leah. I'm an esthetician in Columbus, Ohio. I own Skin Beautiful RX, which is a medical grade skincare store, as well as a medical spa here in Columbus. And I would love for you to be here with me every Sunday. So if you are interested in learning all about medical grade skincare products and how you can transform your skin, please subscribe. Today, the 5-minute review we will be talking about is the HydroPeptide Facelift Moisturizer. As you guys know, I believe moisturizers should do more for you. All skincare should do more. So my moisturizers, I always make sure also have active ingredients. They're not just laying on your skin. They are actively promoting anti-aging, whether it be for pigment, whether it be for fine lines and wrinkles, or all of the above. And the HydroPeptide Facelift Moisturizer, it does just that. Just like the name, it's going to lift, firm, it's going to help with pigmented skin. It's going to create a really healthy, supple complexion. Now, before we get into these amazing ingredients and how the Facelift Moisturizer can help you, I first wanted to tell you about the 3 main things when you look at HydroPeptide products that they all have in common. All hydropeptides have clinical results, which is why I make sure that we have them available to you, because they will give you results. So HydroPeptide utilizes peptides. So peptides are small chain amino acids that impact how your skin functions. And peptides are so important. I mean, there's not a skin type that won't benefit from peptides. So the HydroPeptide line utilizes all different forms of peptides to make sure that you have your best healthy glowing skin. Next, all HydroPeptide products use epigenetics for their formulations. Epigenetics is utilizing ingredients that have gene signaling so that they can perform optimally in the skin. And then lastly, not only are they medical grade, they're clinically tested, and they provide results, but they're also cosmetically elegant. So these formulas, they feel good on the skin. They don't use synthetic fragrance, but really cosmetically elegant textures and natural scents. Facelift Moisturizer is an advanced formulation with anti-aging ingredients and an ultra lightweight hydration. So this is a product I've been wearing in the morning. It glides on and instantly just melts into the skin. You don't really have a layer of product like some moisturizers can do. So for that reason, I would probably recommend this product majorly for normal skin, normal to oily skin, who want a really nice moisturizer but doesn't lay heavy and it doesn't pill under SPF or makeup. Now, if you are dry skin, you're still gonna like this product, but it may not be enough for you if you were to use it at nighttime. Like for me, even though I'm normal to oily, I like a really rich moisturizer. So at night, this probably wouldn't work for me, but daytime, it is wonderful under makeup. And besides it being a moisturizer, it just has all of these amazing anti-aging ingredients that I can't wait to tell you all about. So like I said, this has a really intelligent formulation, and basically it's like a sheer moisturizer with benefits. HydroPeptide utilizes an enhanced penetration complex, so all their products have a delivery system that makes sure that the active ingredients actually penetrate through the skin barrier and really deposits the active ingredients where they can work. The first ingredient I want to talk about is the peptide complex in this formulation. This particular peptide complex is for free radicals, and basically what they do is they protect the skin from environmental damage. So they are free radical scavengers and neutralize pollution before it can be harmful for the skin. The next really important anti-aging ingredient would be the botanical stem cell extract. HydroPeptide uses the starflower stem cell, which protects against urban pollution. Starflower, as a natural botanical, thrives in sunlight, all day sunlight. When you have a botanical that thrives in extreme conditions, you know it's created to withstand pollution. You see a lot of formulators go to these particular botanicals. Is Clinical is one of them, HydroPeptide is one of them, and actually pull out these stem cells and use them in skincare to have a same effect for our skin. So they use the starflower, which also is one of the richest botanical sources of essential fatty acids. It contains natural linoleic and oleic acids. Starflower is often found in formulations that are for dry skin, are for easily sensitized or sensitive skin, because it is so gentle. This is actually also great. This ingredient is also great if you're eczema prone. So it is just a really gentle and protective ingredient. The next ingredient is our patented Lipid Complex. This is a patented amino acid complex from macadamia, jojoba, and olive. What's also really great about this lipid complex, it's non-comedogenic. So people who are acne prone or are more oily and are afraid to use a moisturizer, you're really gonna like this because it's not gonna clog pores. It's not gonna cause acne. It's a really nice lightweight sheer moisturizer. As you use this, that lipid complex is going to make your skin bouncy and hydrated, but it's also gonna help firm the skin and help with elasticity. It has vitamin C, it has vitamin E, it has hyaluronic acid, and then it has a lot of different extracts. And all of these together are going to help with the health of the skin barrier, but it's also going to help firm, it's going to help lift, like the name, facelift. And then it's also help to brighten the skin over time and just create a really healthy glow. Lastly, another really great ingredient in this is sandalwood. So not only is this product non-comedogenic, but it also utilizes sandalwood, and sandalwood's really great because it kills acne bacteria. A really unique ingredient that you don't see a lot in skincare, so I did want to mention the sandalwood in this as well, especially for people who are watching who don't use a moisturizer because you're afraid it's going to break you out or it's going to clog pores. This lightweight super sheer moisturizer is not going to do that, and it's going to aid in the health and regeneration and rejuvenation of the skin. So this moisturizer is gluten-free. It's a pH of 5.7. It also has heptapeptides, green tea, it has glycerin, it has rosemary, it has sage, and it has all of these really great anti-aging ingredients. So if you're looking for a moisturizer with benefits, this is such a wonderful moisturizer. Like I said, you can use it in the AM, you can use it in the PM. I have preferred it in the morning because it's so lightweight, it's so sheer. It really rapidly sinks into the skin and looks really great works really great under SPF and makeup. So this was my 5-minute review. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And again, this is the HydroPeptide Facelift Moisturizer. I'll link it below, and please let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.